Morning, folks. It's Saturday, November 13th, 2021. First day of Vermont rifle season. Hunting this morning with my Black Widow PGA. Won the toss-up between my muzzle loader and the bow, and it won. I don't know if you can see the area. It's pretty sweet spot. I'm hunting from above with my Hawk tree stand. Got my sticks. I don't know if you can see the sticks up the tree. But I'm gonna get back quiet here and sit for a few more hours and see how it goes. Been here for a couple hours so far. Haven't heard one rifle shot yet at all. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but good luck to everybody out there, and talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.